when designing a commercial facility, we're going to be looking at multiple factors. Most important is going to be your environmental control, and then lighting is going to be extra important as well. So we're going to be looking at, if you're using a high pressure sodium, traditional double-ended grow light, those have certain electrical requirements, and then those are also going to affect your environmental control based on where the heat from those lights is going. When you use LED, we're looking at more energy efficient lighting, but that also changes your, the environment of the grow. So we can help you with all of that.
So when you're running an LED setup, which a lot of people are switching over to now, it's very important to understand that you're going to be running that room way hotter than we usually think. You're going to be running 80 to 84 degrees. So that variable being 80 to 84, you need to understand that your vapor pressure deficit, which is your VPD, needs to adjust to be at that high level. So most times you want to keep it very dry, but in the veg portion, you actually want to run your room pretty humid so you can optimize the growth rate of your plants in correspondence to how hard the LEDs actually push the plant. If you run your LEDs too cold in your room, you will lower your growth rate, you will lower your yield, and you won't get the quality because there's not enough infrared penetrating your leaf to make it actually warm enough for it to grow.
And all those factors are going to affect your actual electrical load and how you need to plan for that. So we can look at whether you have your existing amp total or if we're going to design a perfect facility for you, we can let you know how much power you actually should be getting.
And regarding to power, the most important thing I see a lot of people do not understand is labeling your outlets and labeling your breakers for your electrical system in your entire facility. This is mainly with your contractor in the beginning phase. You need to have good communication with your electrician to keep every circuit separate so you know if something trips, you know why it tripped and what piece of equipment tripped it, so you can identify and fix it as fast as possible. This also helps with safety protocols. When you're running a facility and an emergency happens, you need to have all of your employees be able to turn off that power as quick as possible. This literally can save lives. They can save millions of dollars in your building. So if you train everybody and have a clear understanding of what circuits and what breakers go to what, you can stop problems from ever happening.